Hey, it's been a little bit. We're not in the janitor's closet, we're not in the library, we're not in some random classroom, we're actually back in the studio. Can you believe it?
I know, after several months of renovation, what, we thought it was gonna be 2 weeks?
2 weeks!
2 weeks!
2 weeks in, what, January?
Yeah.
Welcome to April.
Yep, but studio's done. Hopefully bring you a new look with the same good old content that you guys know.
Better
Hopefully.
content, please. Anyways, let's go over to the other desk because it's cool over there too and we want to show it off. So
Back to us, I guess.
Welcome back to KANG TV News. I'm Colt.
And I'm Noah, but enough about us. Let's focus on the newscast.
But first, regrettably, here is a weather report by our very own Brandon Goodfried.
Hi Kangs, I'm here from the sky. It's kind of cloudy up here and kind of dry down there. And there's a lot of lakes and farms because I'm in the middle of nowhere. So we'll show you the weather and then it's back to you in the studio, Kangs.
Softball is still undefeated. They added on to that win streak last Wednesday, beating Interlake 22-6.
And that's not all. This fantastic team also beat Meadowdale 6-1 on Friday and Mercer Island 17-3 on Monday.
Do they ever lose?
Nope. Speaking of winners, let's hear it for our soccer team who crushed those Ravens 4-1 last Thursday at home.
Next up, we want to shout out next year's varsity cheer team who was recently selected.
We are 5 weeks into the track season and these runners have been killing it.
2 new school records have already been made. Sophomore Yevon Zamilo broke the 48-year-old boys triple jump record, and junior Alexa Matora beat her mile record from last year by 6 seconds.
And let's also hear it for 2 freshmen who've been taking it to the next level. Kevin De Oliveira, the fastest freshman sprinter in LDUB history, and Jackson Sheffield, the fastest freshman hurdler LDUB seen. Keep up that amazing work, track athletes.
And shout out to varsity baseball who beat Juanita on Saturday 7-6 and Mercer Island 3-0 on Monday.
Woo! And a big congrats to golf for their 45-point win against Liberty on Monday, along with tennis who won 7-6 on Monday, and badminton for crushing Redmond 8-3 last Friday.
Finally, if you want to see more pictures or stats of your sport in KSPN, please reach out to us via Insta or email.
We do our best to hunt down all the important details, but we can't find everything, so if you have something exciting to share from your sport, we would love to feature it on KSPN.
And with that, that is it for KSPN this week. Do not turn off the newscast just yet.
As always, I'm Addison.
And I'm Charlotte. And this is KSPN out.
That was very cool. Well done, ladies.
LDUB Tech recently had a nursing program and our KANG TV's Matthew went to investigate.
Lake Washington Institute of Technology has state-of-the-art medical programs. They have real, working demo rooms. They have programs for dental services, nurses, doctors, medical assistants, physical therapists, and funeral services. They're only one of 55 schools in the country with a funeral service program. After one day of a recent graduating class, half had jobs. You can go to LDUB Tech while it's still going to high school in junior or senior year. You can go there as a trade school or for a degree. 20% is in class using textbooks. 80% is hands-on. While attending here, you can also transfer to any university. If you have any further questions, you can check out the Lake Washington Institute of Technology website at www.ldubtech.edu.
Is someone missing from your class? Well, chances are they're on spring break having a better time than you.
Our KANG Q team went out and asked you guys where you guys are going for spring break.
Hey Kangs, it's your girl Sienna.
And your girl Tilda.
And for this week's KANG Q, our question is,
Where are you going for spring break?
let's see where our Kangs are heading. Where are you going for your spring break?
I'm going to Cancun, Mexico.
Oh, me? Well, I'm going to Cabo.
Right, so where are you going for spring break this year?
I'm going to White Pass, Washington for some snowboarding.
Cool, are you a big snowboarder?
Yeah, I really like it.
Where are you gonna be this spring break?
I'm going to Vancouver, BC.
Wow, cool.
Where are you going for spring break?
I'm staying here.
Why?
I gotta play baseball.
Oh, really? Are you guys gonna make it win state?
No. Or maybe. Yeah.
And where are you ladies going for spring break?
Spain.
Spain? Where in Spain?
Madrid, Barcelona.
That's super cool.
I'm going to Florida.
I love Florida. It's really nice. Thank you.
Yes, what are you doing over spring break?
I'm going to New York City, baby.
Right. Where are you going for spring break this year?
I think I'm going to California on a road trip.
Cool. You're road tripping to California?
Yep.
Where are you guys going for spring break?
I'm going home. His house.
Wow, what are you guys gonna do?
All right, ladies. And where are we going for spring break?
If you're still here during break and want something to do, come support our FFA Agricultural Issues team in the library at Redmond Library.
Wow, good one. Tuesday, April 4th, they're going to be hosting it there at the Redmond Library, like you like to emphasize, from 5 to 6 p.m. discussing their food waste reduction initiatives. And speaking of food, there's going to be free snacks there. We're going to have a QR code on the screen somewhere around here for you to register, and they hope to see you there. And now, Shrek.
Tickets are on sale today. Come support our wonderful L-Dub theater department with all the cool shows that they do.
The show times are going to be May 3rd, May 4th, May 9th, May 10th, and May 11th, all at 7 p.m. with matinee shows at 1 p.m. on Saturdays. Scan the QR code somewhere on the screen if you're interested. And for all of us at KANG TV News, make responsible choices over spring break. I'm Noah.
And I'm Colt. Go enjoy your wonderful break that you guys deserve. And as always,
good night.